Installed software. One of the trade-offs for a modestly priced laptop is that it's almost sure to be loaded with bloatware and unnecessary programs. That's exactly the case with the Spin 3. Upon first boot, we noticed several unwanted apps were installed, thanks to the shortcuts on the desktop or in the taskbar. For example, there was a desktop shortcut to the Shopabates website and a shortcut to Firefox and Netflix in the taskbar. And let's not forget the incessant notifications and prompts from Norton Antivirus, begging us to sign up and extend our coverage. At one point we even went in and disabled all things Norton, only to see more prompts reminding us it was disabled. A quick uninstall remedied that situation for us. Those programs are in addition to Acer's own software, some of which is needed, like the Acer Care Center for Spin 3 specific software updates direct from Acer. Other Acer programs, such as Acer Collection, a program that promotes bloatware apps for you to install, is a waste of space. Once you get the Spin 3 set up, you're going to spend some time removing programs and unnecessary apps. It just comes with the territory with budget laptops.